Hey, what's going on, all of you wonderfully amazing people? It is I, the Work at Home Job Queen, and I am here today to share some awesome and amazing work at home jobs with you guys on today. As always, let's get the housekeeping out of the way. Make sure, okay, it is imperative. I cannot stress this enough, you guys. All you do is come over to the blog, and where you see right here, get new work at home leads sent directly to your email. Put your email and click send me new leads, okay? You will need to verify that you're not a robot. And I also have something even more amazing in my opinion. I still send out the emails every single day. But for those of you that don't check your emails very often, I also have a text messaging system set up. I personally love the text messaging system a little bit more, and the people who are currently on the text messaging system love it as well. It is 100% free. I do not spam you. The only thing that I send to your text is letting you know when the blog has been updated. That way you can run and apply to the jobs like instantly when they're uploaded, okay? Some people, sometimes depending on your email provider, it can take 15, 20, sometimes 30 minutes for the email to reach your inbox, because some of these email providers, they're a little bit stricter when it comes to sending out mass emails. So sign up to the text message, you guys. When I say it's instant, as soon as I send it, like within 2 seconds, you receive that text, and you can click the link directly in the text and go straight to the job, okay? So definitely sign up to my text messaging family. Text me at 205-953-4597, okay? That's 205-953-4597. Now, when you text me, all you have to do is say hi or opt in or whatever. When you text me, you're going to get a link, okay? Click on that link because you need to verify that you actually want to sign up to the text message. So you have to click the link when I respond back to your text message, okay? Now, when you sign up to these text messages, you do not have to put your email, only your name and all of that type of stuff, okay? You do not have to put your email. It is not necessary, all right? Also, make sure that you guys come over and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. As you guys can see, I have like 1,000 pending requests. I accept over 500-600 a day, and it just keeps growing. So just be patient with me. I'm going to try my best to dedicate the majority of my day today, because I do have some downtime on today, to making sure that I accept everybody into this group, okay? Everybody who follows the rules, okay? Make sure you answer all 3 questions when prompted. Make sure that your account is not brand new, and also make sure that you have a photo, okay? If you do not answer the questions, have a photo, and if your account is new, you will not be accepted. But if you do follow those rules, I will accept you, okay? As soon as I can. If you don't get accepted today, give me a couple of days, because you guys, I can't sit here and just accept all day, all night, okay? But I try my best. Now, let's go ahead and get into these jobs, okay? The first position, you guys better run, okay? When I say run, you better run, okay? Randstad is looking for vaccine schedules. Of course, all of this is work from home. Now, they have several schedules that are available. They have some morning schedules, they have some evening schedules, and they also have some overnight schedules. Now, you can work anywhere in the United States of America, okay? But you have to live in the U.S., okay? Now, of course, vaccine schedules, what you'll be doing is you'll be assisting with scheduling vaccine appointments, all right? Now, the pay for this is $15.04 to $26.82 an hour. I'm not sure if it has a lot to do with what city and state that you live in. I'm not sure. So just make sure that you apply to Randstad for vaccine schedules. The link, everything is in the description box down below, you guys. It's one link, okay? WAHjobqueen.com. You click that link, and it'll take you directly to every single job that I'm talking about, all right? Also, make sure that you guys come and apply to Allstate. Y'all, okay? I've been sharing Allstate for a while. They were just hiring for chat agents. These people 100,000% care about their employees. If you're looking for a career, a work-at-home career, I would say 89 to 90% of the people who work for these people who say that they ain't going nowhere, okay? Once they've gotten hired, I had one girl who said that she's been there for 6 months, and she don't plan on leaving ever, okay, until she retires or until they close their doors, okay? Because they really do care about their employees, okay? When I say they really care about their employees, they really care about their employees. They send you all of the equipment that you need, okay? They pay, I think it's $16.75 an hour, and they also 100% train you, all right? You can live anywhere in the United States of America with the exception of California, Hawaii, Alaska, Puerto Rico, and New York. Okay, you can live anywhere else. I know a lot of you guys have a lot of, problems with the fact that a lot of these work at home companies don't, hire in California, New York, etc. It's just a lot to do with the labor laws and different things like that. And a lot of companies really don't want to deal with all that stuff, okay? Unfortunately. All right, so I'm not, and there's several others, you guys. Make sure when you come over to this blog, do not just stay under today's date, okay? Come over here and scroll. Scroll, I don't care if the link was from last year. If it still works, that means they are still hiring. Do not sleep, okay? I'm telling you guys, there are so many amazing companies that are hiring right now. And I'm not trying to fearmonger. I was talking about this in the group a couple of days ago where I told everyone that, you guys, for real, it's a lot going on in the world. Okay. Things are not about to get better. They really not. And I have anxiety, really bad anxiety. I just can't see myself going out into the world and being around a whole gang of people. So I'm so blessed and I'm so humble and I'm forever indebted to the good Lord above for putting me in a position where I can make money from the comfort of my home, you guys. I'm so thankful. And there are so many other people who have been blessed with finding jobs where they can work from home. That way they can be at home and try their best to protect themselves and their family. Okay, you have a lot of people who have really small children and they're not comfortable with sending their kids back to school, so they've been homeschooling and they feel like, they really want to be at home so they can do those types of things for not only themselves but also their family. So you guys apply. I'm telling you, a lot of companies have openings for work at home jobs. Okay, most companies have, they originally started out with, it's just going to be temporary work from home, but a lot of these companies have permanently put their employees in a position where they can work at home permanently. Okay, so if you're looking for this, if you're looking for a way out of the brick and mortar world where you can, protect yourself and your family, because there's a lot going on, and I feel comfortable in my home as opposed to being out and about around 100,000 people, especially now with things getting a little bit more relaxed. Like, people think this thing is just gone. It's here and it's here to stay. And come over here and apply to these work at home jobs, you guys. I love you. Apply to the jobs. Send me a text message, 205-953-4597, so that you can get these leads sent to your phone. Also, come and join the Work at Home Lounge on Facebook. Just make sure that you follow the 3 rules that I talked about earlier. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.